that some of that mistrust can begin to fade. And that's where progress begins.
I will not pretend that the challenges we face will be easy, or that the answers will come quickly, or that all our differences and divisions will fade happily away. Because life is not that simple. It never has.
We've seen old hatreds pass. Illusions of differences between people lift and fade away. We've seen human destiny in the hands of more and more human beings who can shape their own destinies.
Because as the alarm bells fade and the din of Washington rises, the danger is we just forget what happened. And we start thinking we should go back to business as usual. King's moral imagination, barricades began to fall, and bigotry began to fade. New doors of opportunity swung open for an entire generation.
I also tried to assure them that although the perpetrator of this evil act has received a lot of attention over the last couple of days, that attention will fade away.
We've tasted the bitterness of civil war and segregation, but our history shows us that hatred in the human heart can recede, that the lines between races and tribes can fade away. These efforts have to lead to lasting peace, not just words on a paper or promises that fade away. Peace. They depend upon the world to look the other way until those horrifying pictures fade from memory. But these things happened. The facts can. As is true after every conflict, there's a risk that the devoted service of our veterans could fade from the forefront of our minds, that we might turn to other things. Thank you for reminding the world that no matter how brutal the crackdown, no matter how long the night, the yearning for liberty and dignity does not fade.